This is a 36-inch antique brass Satellite Baja Series ceiling fan from the early 1980s. This is a 3-speed fan and it is reversible. This fan is actually pretty much brand new. I do have the original box with it, which I will show you at the end of the video. But anyway, we'll go ahead and start it up here on high speed. This thing's a pretty fast little fan right here. Doesn't have much of a blade pitch on it though. I mean, it moves pretty good air, or decent air for its size, but I think it's kind of detuned. But otherwise, it runs flawlessly. Here's medium. I believe these fans are made by CEC. And here's the low speed. And we'll go ahead and shut it off here and show you the box. So here's the original box with the fan. Nothing really out of the ordinary, nothing too special to see. It all just shows you all the options that they came in: antique brass, bright brass, brown, chocolate brown, then brown and brass, ivory and brass, chocolate brass rim, ivory brass rim, whatever, and blade options. This one just came with antique brass with cane blades, 36-inch. Nothing on the bottom. This energy saver, and it's pretty much the same thing on the other side here. So anyway, there you go. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video of this fan. See ya.